Nakapalambing. Why?
And for fucking good reason. An endless war between the armies of man and the creatures of darkness has raged across Britain. And in retribution for man's injustice to the creatures, the immortal witch
Kayo nag-away.
has spread her deadly plague, threatening to wipe mankind off the face of the earth. And so at Pendle Hill, beneath an ancient oak tree,
Ako nga hindi makaintindi ng movie na English na ang best magsalita. Kaya ako yung nagsasubtitle.